Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Appendix from the 2023 Wave 1. We have Chris Buescher's Fifth Third Bank Next Gen car. And on the back, you get lots of patriotic cars like Austin Dillon, Chase Elliott, Alex Bowman, Martin Truex Jr., Brad Keselowski. Oh wait, only 5. And also other cars in this wave. And also look out for Kevin Harvick's Hunt Brothers Pizza Chase Piece car. Let's get Chris Buescher out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which has a blue 17 with the yellow outline, the Fifth Third Bank logo, along with Fifth Third Bank, Chris Buescher's name in yellow, and obviously a paint job of the side of his car. So here is Chris Buescher's car. So Fifth Third Bank sponsorship has sponsored the 17s, I think since 2014, and throughout it, the car had a same paint. No, wait, since 2012 with Matt Kenseth, but now it was originally blue, lots of blue, but now they have, still blue, but a little bit lighter, but with a new shade of blue along with some little bit of green mixed in with some little bit of blue. They still have the Fifth Third logo, which looks like a 5 and a 3. The difference is now they got white, and then it starts having a little checkered pattern here with the turning it with the green, and then fading into blue. And you see here, all the RFK cars have this kind of logo, this kind of paint job here, decal. On the back, you got a small Fifth Third Bank with a white 17, obviously white 17 on the top, and on the sides, I have a blue 17 with the yellow outline. Oh shoot. And on top of here, you got Fifth Third Bank, which is 53.com. I'll give you an aerial view of the car while getting a better look at the 360 view of the car. And that'll be it for today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.